Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Summer special cool yet diabetic friendly cucumber idli. Antioxidants, iron, magnesium, potassium, fiber, and vitamin C loaded. But before I tell you the recipe, it's Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Break away our false and misleading assumptions and presumptions. Bless us with keen curiosity, sharp sight and clear hearing, far-sighted vision, true knowledge and deep wisdom. And now for the recipe. But before the recipe, Punjabi hill ball lemon growing in my gardens require one, but another one now. Along with it, cucumber, ginger, green chili, cilantro, parsley or both, fresh or desiccated coconut, peanuts, curd or yogurt. Now add green chilies, ginger, peanuts, coconut, cilantro or parsley or both with cumin and any natural salt to a blender and blend. Blend to a coarsely finished grainy paste and set aside. Now grate the cucumber with the skin. Skin is very useful. Never discard and throw away the skin. Now, when done, semolina 1 cup or 220 grams. Add the blended paste, curd or yogurt and grated cucumber. And when done, cut the Punjabi hill or common lemon into half and one of the half into 4 quarters. We will be using the juice of the 4 quarters. And now squeeze and add the juice of Punjabi hill or common lemon. And as I said, of half or 4 quarters of the lemon. Now when done, mix well. Wait, that looks a little dry. Now to add more moisture. Now add more curd or yogurt and mix well again. Mix well. Now that's better. Now taste the batter to check and add corrections if required, if any. None. Now set it aside for a few hours to ferment. Look at that. This is after few hours and look at that consistency, exactly as we wanted and perfectly fermented batter. Now set up the idli steamer to preheat. When done, grease the idli molds well with oil, butter, desi or any ghee. Again, when done, fill the idli molds with adequate amount of batter. There, when done, now dab or duff the batter to spread the batter evenly. Now the steamers Ready? Place the trays one by one and cook for 20 minutes. Exactly 20 minutes. Now, after 20 minutes, check with a toothpick. No. Idlis are not done as yet. They need to be steamed for another 2 minutes or so. Now, after additional steaming of 2 minutes, now that's perfect. Remove the trays. Allow the idlis to lose their heat on their own and cool down a shade. When done, demold the idlis carefully one by one by running a knife or a spoon along the edges, and our summer special cool cucumber idli is ready. Plate with sauces and chutneys of your choice. I am using chili, tomato, ginger and garlic chutney along with traditional South Indian coconut chutney.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.